Time travel videos are going viral on Instagram right now. For example, this channel gained 550,000 followers by posting just 21 reels, and almost every video on the channel has over 1 million views. There are many similar channels that have gained hundreds of thousands of followers with only 5 to 10 videos. The reason is simple. These videos instantly hook viewers and create a strong sense of curiosity. And the best part? You can create these videos in just 5 to 10 minutes using only 2 free websites, all from your phone. Now, to create these videos, first open ChatGPT. Then click here, go to Apps, and once you're there, look to the right side and click on GPTs. As soon as you open GPTs, you'll see a search bar. Type in time travel vlog. After a few seconds, results will appear. Click on the top result. Once you open it, you'll see 2 options. Put yourself in vlog or put a famous person or character. Select the first option, put yourself in vlog. Next, you'll need a character image. I've already generated one and added it here. Once you upload it, ChatGPT will lock your character and ask which scenario you want to create. For this example, I'll choose the Stone Age. After selecting the scenario, ChatGPT will generate 5 image prompts and 5 image-to-video prompts that you can use to create your video. As you can see, both the image prompts and video prompts are ready. Now let's move on to the second step, generating images and videos. But before that, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, head over to Google Flow. Once you're there, click on New Project. You'll see an interface like this. At the bottom, click here, select Images, and choose 2 outputs. Next, upload your character. Once it's uploaded, start adding each image prompt from ChatGPT one by one into Google Flow. As soon as you do, the images will begin generating. As you can see, we already have 2 images. I like this one better, so I'll download it. Repeat this process for all the prompts and download each image. If you prefer, you can also use them directly inside Google Flow without downloading. Once all your images are ready, it's time to generate videos. Switch from images to video, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and select 2 outputs so you can choose the best version. Now, upload your images again and paste the video prompts from ChatGPT. Start generating the videos. It may take a little time, so just be patient. As you can see, the first video is ready. Let's preview it.
Okay, I think I just found actual Stone Age humans, and they are definitely looking at me like I don't belong here.
There's a small watermark, which we'll remove later, but for now, go ahead and download it. Repeat the same process for all images. Convert them into videos and download each one. Then, we'll move to the final step, editing. Now that all the videos are ready, let's move on to editing. I will be using CapCut for editing this video. First, import all the clips. Once everything is uploaded, preview the video to see how it looks.
Okay, I think I just found actual Stone Age humans, and they are definitely looking at me like I don't belong here.
This looks a bit dull, so to make the video more engaging, add a black fade transition between each clip. This will make the video feel smoother. Next, add captions to increase engagement. Tap on captions, choose a template, and generate them automatically. I tried the default style first, but didn't like it much, so I switched to this caption template. Once your captions are finalized, export the video. You may still notice a watermark. To remove it, simply zoom in slightly so the watermark is cropped out. This will also make your video look cleaner, and that's your final result.
Okay, I think I just found actual Stone Age humans, and they are definitely looking at me like I don't belong here. This is unreal. They're dancing around fire like it's sacred. This feels like I'm watching the first rituals ever. Oh my God, that's a mammoth! That is a real mammoth behind me, Galia. Do not turn around too fast. They're chasing it right now. Oh no! Hey, this is insane. me not insane? I'm literally in the middle of a prehistoric hunt. I had to run into this cave. There's a storm outside, and these people are just waiting it out like this is normal.